Where are you going, Georgia? Where are you going? What, are you trying to get out of there too? Huh?
I'm not getting out.
No, Georgia looks like she's trying to climb out of the crib. She's going to be a danger girl, I can tell. She's trying to figure out how to break out already.